Hello, welcome to the TV room. Funny, I was just doing the testing 1, 2, 3 thing. Very strange, it just didn't seem right. And so I did take the little module, the receiver, out of the phone, flipped it around, tried again. It seems better. Strange, shouldn't make any difference. Anyway, here I am with pet number 40. And it is the one with the funky green glare screen, or I'm assuming it's green. I'm going to turn it on, and in fact see that it is working. Commodore Basic 4.0, Arbiter 1.4 active. It's funny that the thing seems a little far down. I suppose I could do a quick thing. This was not what I had in mind today. I could do a quick thing here. Oh. Yeah, brilliant. When you don't put a quote. Hey, what's going on here? The cursor thing won't work. Oh. What's going on here? Oh. Alright, we'll try that again. 10, print, quote, X, quote, semicolon, colon, go to 10. Let's just look at where this is. Well, that's not bad. It just looks like maybe the screen is a little smaller than it could be. Probably just an adjustment. Of course, I don't like adjusting monitors. I really don't. Anyway, why are we here? Excellent question. Well, I thought that I would take this data set. Firstly, I will turn this off. I don't have to, but I'm going to. And just to see if, things are working, I'm going to take this data set, stretch out the cord nicely, put it in. Oh, isn't that interesting? Oh my. The capacitor. Oh my, this was not well thought out. The capacitor. And here the great big one was kind of in the way. Anyway, I got it in. I did. Oh, and you know what? This one actually has a little thing so that the cord can come out the side okay. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, well, we'll turn this back on. And I'm not sure. Oh, that's right. This is basic 4. Okay, so I'll type in load and we'll press play. Aha. No. We cannot load. Tape recorder 1 is the one in the back. So we type in load, quote, asterisk, quote, comma, 2. So press play on tape 2, and we will press play on tape 2 and see what happens. Now it should, if things are working. Oh, it has found Commodore. Imagine. And one would think, oh, but it doesn't say loading. Found Commodore. Okay, hang on here. All right. Let's try that again. Load, quote, C-O-M. I thought it would do the asterisk thing the same way it does with the disk drive and load. The first, I suppose if I put in C asterisk, it might have worked. Anyway, regardless. Just want to see what's up. Okay, found Commodore, loading. And it is ready. We'll press stop. Okay, run, and there it is. World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore. Looking just fine. Actually, it does. Yeah, the screen looks a little shrunk. I am not sure where, like, here's the top, here's the bottom. This isn't just because of this glare thing. It is not. Anyway, it's working. It's good. Although, it does look a little squished. Just an adjustment, I would suspect. Alright, now that that is done, I'm going to press rewind. I'll press 0 on the counter. I'm going to press stop. And I'm going to turn this off. And hoist this up. Again, with great care, because of this thing in the back, or the, not the back, the capacitor thing. I'm going to take this, I think it will do. Oh my, there are things in the way here. I want to put this, in the very back, because there are two, count them, 2 cassette ports on this machine. See, of course, the very first pet had a data set right here. Alright, we'll turn that on. And we'll type in load. This time we'll try the C asterisk quote. And because it is, now I could put comma 1, but I don't need to, because we're here. Let's see. Oh. It is not doing it. Alright, hang on. Commodore. Or quote. And I'll put comma 1. No, it says, oh, well, I got too many A's in there. And now it won't go across. Okay, load, quote, C-O-M-M-O-D-R-E, quote, comma, 1. Press play on tape 1. We will press play on tape 1. It is not being acknowledged. It is not spinning. It is not moving. Aha! 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 That is strange. Well, let's turn this off. Put this up. Twist this around. Yank it out. And then, just because I'm here and I can, and I will, I'm going to take this pencil that has an eraser on it, and I'm going to apply it to the cassette port, which does look somewhat, well, it's that micro corrosion, and it probably hasn't had anything plugged into it, such as this, in decades. And looking at the rest of the ports, they also look a little on the dirty side. So, will that make a difference? I don't know, but we'll find out. Oh, come on, you. Alright. Now, hang on. I do have it the right way up, right? It should only fit one way. It's in. This may also be a thing for the oxide. Let's see if this makes any difference at all. Okay. The pad is coming up. Load. Quote. C. I'll just do the asterisk this time. Quote. Comma. 1. We will press play on tape 1. Okay, searching. Look at that. Now, will it find Commodore? Well, it should find it, but will it load it? Found Commodore. It is not loading it. All right, stop. See, before this thing here, oh no, Commodore quote, I'll just do it like that. Before, the tape motor wouldn't even spin or be acknowledged. And what fixed it? It is a magic eraser, but not a magic eraser. Just an eraser. But it is magic. Alright, we have found Commodore and we are loading. So what this tells me is, chances are the IEEE port, aha, we're in, as well as the user port should also be similarly treated with a pencil eraser, which is magic, but not a magic eraser. And it does seem to be just dandy. Dandy. So, that's good. So, yeah. So it worked on the internal one. Funny, I didn't ever touch the internal one, but I suppose the internal port is probably not exposed to, I mean, it's certainly got as much air, I suppose, over the years, but maybe not as much, like, external stuff blowing by. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it should be treated as well. Maybe, because I'm here and I can, maybe I'll open it up and take, it does, well, it looks a little worn. I'll take the eraser to it. Can't hurt, although I do have the machine turned on. Maybe that's not the wisest thing, but I don't think the rubber part of this eraser would be conductive and would cause any issues. I don't think so. Anyway, so it's up, it's working, life is good. So I would like to, of course, try this machine with other peripherals, such as a disk drive, maybe a printer. But I don't have that handy, and of course, right at this moment, the table, which is supposed to be empty, is not. So, stay tuned. We'll see what else can be found. We'll see what else can be done. And we'll see you again soon. Back in the TV room at this moment. Maybe next time the pet room. I'm just not sure. Thanks so much for being here. Bye for now. David Bradley, signing off.